Hey chaps.
Hello.
Exciting times.
Hello, yeah.
So we're outside Tottenham Court Road. Who'd have thunk that there's going to be a modular synthesizer shop literally a stone's throw from this busy part of London?
Exactly, yeah.
So you're open?
We're open, yeah.
Since Friday morning, 12 p.m. we started opening.
And so the shop is called?
Schneiders Keller.
So it's like a kind of, it's like Schneiders, but it's a separate thing that you guys are running, right? Is that how it works?
Exactly, yeah.
So tell us how it's been going.
So the first few days have been really good. We did two, prior to this we did a little pop-up in December where we just kind of like wanted to get into the space and do something. So we just got some synthesizers and some TVs in that case and just kind of made some noises and just hung out for a bit. And then a few weeks ago, everything arrived, right?
Yeah, everything arrived. We stocked everything up. We set up our shelves, and now we're ready to go.
Yeah, and now we're ready to go. So maybe let's go through and we'll show you.
I haven't been to this part of London for such a long time, and it's really blinged up, hasn't it? I mean,
so this is kind of like the advertising wing of London, I think. You can see some kind of really quite gross advertising stuff, or like the world of Tetris in giant 3D. There's also a massive Roland advert, so because the Roland store is just around the corner.
Wow, that's prime, isn't it?
Yeah, prime real estate.
Well, because Denmark Street is sort of becoming because it used to be the London store, the place where all the music stores were.
Exactly,
and the music publishers. It was Tin Pan Alley, wasn't it?
Exactly, yeah. And there was
in the 60s.
Yeah, in the 60s, I guess there was lots of bands were recording here and stuff. I don't know the full history.
No, there were lots of managers, and there'd be the guy with the cigar in the top floor office, kind of saying, "Hey kids, stick with me."
Yeah, exactly. So we come through this alleyway.
Wow.
Again, more LED screens, millions and millions of pounds of LED
I was going to say, because you're in another life, you know about this kind of thing, and you know how much.
Yeah, I kind of understand the cost of implementing massive LED screens. So
this is, God, it's incredible, isn't it?
And then here we are on Denmark Street. So you've got the Roland store there.
Roland store
it's
down
Sunday,
there.
so there's a few things that are closed. There are still some guitar shops here.
Yeah. Dawson's.
Yeah, so we've got One Joe. Obviously, One Joe Keys used to be around back in the day, but they are no longer. So we are the only synthesizer shop on Denmark Street.
Well, almost in London, I would say specialised.
Specialised, yeah.
For sure. Synthesizers, I think there's no one here right now. So we're kind of looking forward to.
So you're in the basement of Rough Trade, basically.
Yes. Exactly, yeah. So we just missed our little signage that is up on the screen, but yeah, we're in the basement of Rough Trade, and come with us, and we'll show you where to go.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the new Rough Trade shop on Denmark Street. So lots of books.
For those of you who are not smelling what I'm smelling.
Lots of new records. There's more records upstairs.
Yeah.
And then, as you can see, it's our little sign. We need to get some more signage.
Need some signage outside, I'd say. Yeah. Well, let's go down.
But it's happening. We're here. So come with us.
Like any good store, we're going to the basement.
Hello. So we have some friends waiting outside to come in.
Excellent. Hello, welcome. We're just shooting a little thing for Sonicstate. I think I saw you at London Synth Pedal Expo earlier. So there we go. So it all comes.
So this is the space. As you can see, there's lots of stuff on display, but there is room for more, so there will be more coming. Right here we have so Adam outside who's waiting. He actually makes this stuff black and blue.
Oh,
so
yes, that's right. Okay.
Got a little test system here of his stuff, lined up with the lovely French connection, so you can do some of that kind of on Martineau stuff. And then we have the Redshift 6 just set up. So we've got this kind of like keyboard headphone table as you walk in. And then, we have...
Classic.
The classic Doepfer.
The classic of the classics Doepfer basic system, version 3 actually.
Yeah.
Quite cool actually to try it out, to jam with it actually. So we've been jamming along with it quite well actually, yeah.
Yeah, it's. I think using a full Doepfer system is really fun, and you've got it set up with the Erzweg, which is the sequencer from MFB.
Yeah.
So yeah, and then we've got kind of some other kind of mixed cases. We've got a Verbo system. We've got another mixed case. We've got the Sherman filter bank.
Oh yeah, classic.
On the effects end on the mixer. We've got an ALM system. But there will be more stuff coming.
Yeah, I mean this is like early days, isn't it? You haven't
day three,
really,
yeah, day three.
And then stock, and so people can come and buy stuff here, right?
People can come and buy whatever we have in stock. Currently, we have an amount of stock, and basically kind of everything that you see, we almost have everything in stock, apart from like the analog systems, but we can get that stuff pretty quickly. And then the idea is that in the future, we're not quite there yet, but the idea is that we're going to act as the kind of importer of stuff from Schneiders. So from Schneiders Laden, as a UK customer currently, if you order, you have to sort the import and
all the VAT. So you'll be the kind of.
So we'll kind of be the go-between, and hopefully that will make it much smoother for the end customer. And also you'll be able to pick up orders from Schneiders in store.
Oh, that's good.
But we're not quite there yet. We're still a few weeks off of that.
A few reams of paperwork.
Yeah,
probably.
Exactly. Yeah.
So you're going to have music and events and things here as well, right?
Exactly. Yeah. The plan is to do at least like minimum monthly kind of workshops or events, but we will be doing like beginners workshops. The space is really nice.
Yeah. We also got artists invited to host workshops on how their approach on modular synthesis is, how they include it on their live set or in their production.
Yeah,
so
well, it's the sort of thing that, and build a little community, because
that's our goal, basically, to have people coming in here to interact with each other, to finally start approach modular not via some online shop or on YouTube to see how something sounds. It's just rather have people coming in here and try stuff out and talk pretty much all about it.
Yeah, I mean, even it's only the third day, but we have had like quite a few people who have like stayed, for an hour, so like or more. Like the plan is that you can come here and stay for as long as you want. And
have you got a coffee machine?
We don't have a coffee machine yet, but we have got tea. So we are. Good. They've got a coffee machine in Berlin. We've got tea here.
Yeah, well, that sounds fair enough.
The idea of the shop is that we can all the systems can be interlinked and are sharing clock.
I think there's a T-shirt of my saying that, because the first time we went.
Because what happens when you don't?
It's chaos.
Sync your clocks. It's chaos. Exactly. Yeah. So I mean, this is a little ALM system. We've got some simple drums, and then I think we've got the Doper system running. So yeah. So.
Now all you need is a master tune, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Tunings. That's hard. That's harder to achieve.
Yes, exactly. And then I think we've got the Verbo system doing something. If we pause that, this is unsynced at the moment, just a kind of drone thing. So I've got like the harmonic oscillator. You can see I've got modulation that's picking through. And then I've just got some droney sort of stuff going on.
Oh, that's pretty.
Which is the complex oscillator with modulation on the timbre.
And that sort of harmonic sequence. That's nice.
Yeah, so that's like sequencing, scanning through the different harmonics in the harmonic oscillator.
That's nice.
And then we've got this system, which is the Deckard's voice, being controlled by the melodizer. So this is like probability, stochastic pattern generator-y stuff. And then we've got a second voice on the joystick coming from the supercritical. I've also got some FM to go into the Deckard's voice, which sounds massive. Yeah, and then finally we've got this the analog systems thing going with.
Oh, that's a beast, isn't it? This is this 5U? Am I right? Or
no, this is 3U.
Isn't it 3U? Yeah.
So yeah.
Oh my lord, that's enormous.
Yeah, so we've got like a 3 oscillator thing. being controlled via the play fader. So we've just got the 3 oscillators.
So have you had to step in and to exercise taste and decency at any of the kind of punters jamming yet?
I mean, there's always a bit of self-editing you have to do, right? But yeah, I mean, like, it doesn't matter if you can't use this stuff or if you can. It's just like, come in and we'll show you how to use it, or you can learn how to use it yourself. As I said, we'll be doing like workshops and stuff. Yeah.
Nice. So opening hours and stuff, have you got all that sorted out?
Yeah, so we will be open Wednesday to Saturday, 12 till 7 p.m. And then we will be doing every second Sunday. So just keep an eye out on that. Just follow us at Schneiders Keller on Instagram for the moment. We'll be doing like a blue sky, and then we don't have a website yet, but all of that stuff will be coming. It's just, yeah, it's.
I'm sure there'll be.
We're not there yet.
But
we've got loads of synthesizers. So
yeah, there'll be a ton of people coming in. I mean, how could you not? I mean, I'm trying to think. The last time I came to London to look at a synthesizer was probably I was in my late teens. Probably, I think I came to Rose Morris in Denmark Street. You know, it's like that.
Well, that's still here. That is still here. You can still see Rose
But
Morris.
they do pianos now.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
It used to be the Korg shop, so
Right.
you've got the full set now. What you need to do is run the clock between all the shops.
Yeah, that would be fun. Although I don't think they understand what clock is. I don't think guitarists really know what
No, I
clock
suppose,
is, do
yeah,
they?
maybe not. Thanks so much, Ed. Thanks so much, Ed. Thank you very much.
So much, Nick.
Take care.
Thanks very much for coming, Nick.